Here's a little video of a little project I've been doing. It's a little miniature cannon, a little black powder cannon. Just measured out the proper amount of powder. I usually use 2 of these actually. So I ram the ball home. A little powder keg. Holds enough for about 10 shots out of this. The main chassis. All I had was this thick metal on hand, so I like the way it weighs though. Pretty heavy. The axle, just a piece of stainless. I turn down these ends, and when I put the wheels on, I press these rubber and metal washers on to hold the wheels in. Spacers for the wheels. The risers. All I did was take nuts and I bored out the center until it was a perfect fit. There's just a little cap for the back. Little ball bearing holder. Shoots 11mm ball bearings. The wheels are not my design. I got them off Thingiverse. I'm not sure who the creator was. Little ball bearings. It only takes 3 bolts to put this all together. First, put a riser on first. Here are just 5mm screws, and the risers are tapped. This is the pain in the ass part of the whole thing. I just loosely put it on for now until I get it all straightened out. Pretty much just straighten it up by hand, or you could use a square to get it perfect if you wanted to, but I don't care. There we go. If you tighten it down too much, it actually like locks the barrel so you can't move it. So I just put them pretty snug. And you can raise, lower, it'll stay in place. The whole reason for the back cap is so I can put this little elevation thing, this little bolt in the back. I can't do it with that cap not there, or with the cap there. Mainly use it just so that the cannon didn't go flying backwards. And I put the cap in. And the axle. Riser, little spacers. They're just press fit. And they're hard to get on. Gosh. And I lost my other one. And there she is, put together. The wheels kind of have a loose fit right now. The original model I printed was fit really good on this axle, but I made some adjustments and it fits a little loose, but it doesn't bother me at all. Like I said, I usually take 2 of these, the black powder. I made black powder. I think it equals up to about 45 grains. I also use homemade wicks. Homemade fuses. Pretty much it's a black powder slurry, and I put it on some string, let it dry out. These burn really fast though. Show you some of the black powder real quick. Burns pretty good. Usually is a nasty white, like snot looking stuff all over the cannon. So you definitely got to clean it out every couple shots. It also started eating away the finish. I try to make it look old by cold blue and then kind of sanding some off, but then I gotta keep oiling it, and it's just a lot of work keeping it clean and non-rusty. I made the black powder. The recipes are all over, so I'm not gonna bother showing that. But I put it in a container, put some ball bearings in there, and put it in my lathe, and just tumbled it for a couple hours just to make it extra fine. And then I used rubbing alcohol, made a puck, let it dry out, and then I graded that out, and that's what I've been using. Works perfect. Now I'll shoot a blank. I'll shoot one of these capfuls, and then I'll shoot 2 so you can tell the difference. Yeah.